Well, first of all, let's talk about the one that gets the crowd clapping. Last name Babineau with the first name of Raglan, gifted with rapping and making beats with ease. Who'd still be rocking hard if it weren't for his knees? Which brings me to the B-boy that's next, that holds it down in Austin, Texas. It's my boy Rudy Rex, floor rocking and clocking, 6-step with no doubt, and foot working in circles. The Ken Swift of the South. Let's talk about the one that no one can stop when he's on top of his head, and he's doing the mop with power moves and style that'll just leave you sick. Entering into the circle with a boomerang kick, with tribal gear as a sponsor and a head of wild hair. He'll battle anybody cause Little John don't care. And while we're here, there's the one that makes the most noise. There's no need for introduction, everyone knows it's more. He'll turn the crowd into fiends cause his flow rock's so clean. When it comes to air flares at 17 is the king. And just see whose style is flexible in the legs, walks like the exorcist before he spins on his head. Now you know I couldn't represent hip-hop if I didn't tell you guys that my boy Happy rocks. First name Marlin, he's the one with hand hops, who can also hold a freeze till the end of time stops. With flip-flops and elbow spins, my friend's a role model. He's a tough act to follow, Joel in Colorado. Ooh, the next dude'll make your bottom lip fall to the floor, so watch your step, don't trip. With 1990 stop and goes or whatever it is, the footwork by Little Rick will amaze any kids. Now a style that will move real slow is the popping and the waving from the man Mario. Got the most experience, 2-time rock the beat winner, makes his opponents feel like they were some beginners. Now guess who rocks his top well, delivers like the mail with technical strategies that'll prove he'll prevail over you in the battle. It is steps real fast, nicknamed the Tornado, is that boy named Blast. Well, at only 15, this kid's like a pro, doing double air tracks off of one elbow. Got the first name boy, and we love to watch him throw himself into the air and land in some combo. Uh-oh, could the next dancer be Joe? He rocks house beats well, makes the crowd go ho. So how you like us now? The footwork by Chow, who's got threads for days that'll raise eyebrows. There's the combat dancer Rick, who may look odd, but watch him in the circle, he's the footwork god. So last but not least, with his head up his butt, is the one I call me, in other words, cold cuts. Oops, I forgot the one cat that I skipped, cause Chewy's has been windmill, lands him in the splits. A tick tick pop pop, boogaloo and pop lock, house dancing hip hop with a little top rock. Got the whole crew stacked from Jed to Toby to Nat, so everyone step back or you might get cacked. We more frightening than lightning and hard like thunder rods, so make way for havoc, Coro, cause we blessed by God. Panic, Coro, 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 panic.